Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. IJ's Math Clinic. This morning we'll be discussing numbers. We say number is a mathematical value or mathematical object, arithmetic value that can be expressed in words, in symbols, and in figure. They are used in counting, they're also used in calculation. They can also be used in measuring, like measuring quantities. They are used in leveling. Now you see, number forms or serve as the first meeting point when it comes to mathematics. There are different types of numbers. We have the natural numbers represented by the bold letter N. These natural numbers are like our counting numbers when we count 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then we'll have the whole numbers. These whole numbers, just like the natural numbers, but it starts with 0. So we say 0, 1, 2 to infinity. Then we'll have what we call the integers. Integers are number that ranges from negative infinity to positive infinity. What do I mean by this? I mean we'll have our -1, -2, we'll have 1, we'll have 3, we also have 0. So we say they are what? Integers. So we say their number ranges from where? Negative infinity to positive infinity. There's also what we call the rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented by the bold letter Q. Now they're the numbers coming from the integers. These numbers have to do with ratio. We say we will have our P divided by what? Our Q, and our Q is not equal to 0. So we say they are rational numbers. Where the P and Q comes from the integers. They will have the real numbers. In real numbers, we say they allow decimal points. We say in real numbers that all positive numbers have square roots, irrespective if they are perfect squares. For instance, our root 2 has a square root because it will give us 1.414. So you see, real numbers accommodate decimal points. Then the last one we have what we call the complex numbers. In complex numbers, all numbers, be it negative, be it positive, have square roots. We have our root -1 to be what? I. You're wondering, what is I doing in numbers? Yes. So you see, number serves as the first meeting point where every child, every student, every people will meet before climbing the step of mathematics. So we'll be discussing this number one after the other.